Today, we present you with a unique product, an apartment which has the advantage of an unsurpassable view of Deauville-Trouville, a 360-degree panorama from which to take in the timeless charm of the center of this seaside resort town. The apartment, with a total of 6 rooms and 1,900 square feet, has the advantage of being built on 4 levels and includes a private elevator. You will feel relaxed in the light-filled open floor-plan living room next to the fully equipped kitchen with its luxury Swiss-made appliances. The large master bedroom has a private bath. On the second floor, which can be reached by stairs or elevator, 2 pleasant, independent junior suites will make family or guests feel perfectly at home. On the top floor, a superb, relaxing space culminates in a view right over the Deauville clock, a unique characteristic which makes this apartment so exceptional. If you would like the chance to live in this rare location year-round or as a second home in a luxury building equipped with a domotic system, entry hall, and double garage, all of this only a few meters from the centers of Deauville and Trouville, in the heart of the new quarter of the Presqu'île, near the casino, the beaches, and the golf courses of the region, please contact David Wiseau for a visit of this unique property.